Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Ice Snow Cone Maker. Make snow cones like a pro. The high-quality snow shaving system allows you to make mountains of snow cones snow quickly, easily, and safely. Push-down handle. Add ice into the ice chute and use the safety-insured push handle to begin shaving ice into fluffy, flavor-absorbing snow. 64 ounces. Capacity. Fit up to 64 ounces, or about 8 normal-sized snow cones, in the snow cone chamber for so many delightful treats. Snow cones, ice scoop, and side handles. After shaving ice, use the convenient ice scoop to fill one or all of the 4 reusable snow cone cups. Then place them neatly on the side shelves for easy serving. Add your flavor. Add any of your favorite snow cone syrup flavors. Use Nostalgia snow cone syrups for deliciously cool results. Easy cleaning, easy storing. Disassemble to parts for easy and thorough cleaning, then store neatly using the hidden cord storage on the unit. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Smart food warming tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm. Whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings. Perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Honey dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser. A stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless. The glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Pasta pot. Twist lock handles. Strain out water seconds. Simply twist the handles and drain out the water. No strainer needed. The ultimate kitchen gadget. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is 3 kitchen gadgets combined into a single pot. The first kitchen gadget included is the strainer lid. Strain your pasta with the built-in strainer lid, no need for a colander. The second kitchen gadget included our twist and lock handles. Keep your hands safe with the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot's twist and lock handles. Lastly, get rid of all the sticky situations. Food comes right out of the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot with the ultra non-stick ceramic coating. Multi-purpose pot. Great for pasta, spaghetti, and anything else that cooks on the stove. Use the strainer or not, this pot is designed for all types of foods and is oven safe. Olive oil sprayer. Looking for a smarter way to use oil in your kitchen? Meet the Trendplane 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer, your new 2-in-1 kitchen essential. This sleek and durable sprayer lets you easily control how much oil you use, whether you're cooking in the air fryer, grilling barbecue, or dressing up a salad. Made from premium glass with a modern black finish, it's stylish, eco-friendly, and built to last. The fine mist design gives you perfect coverage every time. No more mess or waste. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or even soy sauce, this Trendplane sprayer brings precision and flavor to every meal. Upgrade your cooking today with the Trendplane 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer, the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice like a pro with the Mueller the Real Original Pro Chopper. Since 2013, this versatile 10-in-1 vegetable chopper has made meal prep faster and easier for home cooks everywhere. Equipped with 8 sharp blades and a sturdy container, it effortlessly handles onions, peppers, carrots, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The compact design keeps your countertop tidy, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, and everyday cooking, this chopper is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who loves efficiency and convenience. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mueller Pro Chopper and make prepping vegetables a breeze. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions: approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches. LXWXH. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Yuliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Electric food processor and vegetable chopper. Stack and snap technology for easy assembly. With this well-designed food processor, you can skip frustrating, awkward assembly. Stack snap technology provides easy assembly and removes the need for difficult twist locking. 12-cup sealed bowl. Most food processors are too small for large processing jobs. This 12-cup sealed bowl fits large volumes of food all at once. And since it's sealed in the center, there's no messy leaks or spills to clean up after processing. Slice, shred, chop, mix and puree with 2 versatile attachments. This large food processor and vegetable chopper includes a chopping/pureeing blade and reversible stainless steel slicing/shredding disc, so you can tackle every job with ease. Easy to clean. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup, and all food zones are BPA free for peace of mind. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.